I should have a little card here with notes that I can just read it and I can just say what I'm supposed to say and not come out here like I normally do. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I think it's day 8 of box week. I know we did 7 days, so I'm pretty sure we're on day 8 of box week of August 2018. I should have a little card here with notes that I can just read it and I can just say what I'm supposed to say and not come out here like I normally do, acting a fool, but here we are. This is where we're at in life. So hopefully you can just accept it. We can just try our best. So today's video that I have for you, we're going to be unboxing a subscription that honestly, if it's not good, I think I might actually cancel it this month. I've been threatening to cancel it forever. So depending on how this month goes, I'm gonna probably do a little thinking after box week, and this box is probably gonna be the one that like gets the kick. So today we're going to be unboxing Sephora Play. I'm showing you the back of it because they put my address label on the front of it. Sephora Play is a $10 monthly subscription from Sephora. The reason I might be canceling it is because Sephora has this thing where like, I feel like 3 times out of the year, they're gonna give you these amazing like bomb boxes, and then the rest of the year, they give you a lot of items that I would consider like gifts with purchase. So like if you are, you know, buying something on their website, stuff that you could get, you know, basically for free just from like making a purchase from them. So my problem is I'm not getting items. I'm like, oh my gosh, I never could have gotten this or ever would have gotten this had I not had this box. You know what I'm saying? And I get a lot of subscriptions. So I don't know, that's kind of where I'm at. Oh my gosh, I cannot cut the seal on this. I'm gonna like stab myself trying to open this box. Okay, so now that it is open, I'm putting the knife to the side. I'm gonna open it down here since my address is showing, and I kept showing my address the one night and I had to edit that video like 8,000 times. It was ridiculous. Alrighty, so every single month you get a play card or it's a little card here that gives you 50 bonus points whenever you make a purchase at Sephora. So the points you can use to like buy rewards and stuff like that. And then they give you a little bag. This is this month's bag. It does feel full. Like they're like, we can feel that she was on the verge of canceling us, so we're just gonna like stock that bag up this month. I do also want to point out before I forget, we are going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is like basically full. So that's this box here of goodies. This is the 4th one that we've done, where basically I take items that I get in my subscriptions, I keep some, I put some in there, and the ones I put in there, once it is full, we just give it away, and that will be going out and be given away at the end of this month. I'll post a video at the end of this box week of how to enter that giveaway. So, alright, first thing in here that we have is Amika Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo and Conditioner. Well, the good news is I'm a brunette. So we got this blonde haired shampoo and conditioner. I'm trying to decide if I should give this to Helicopter Mom or if I should just put it in the giveaway box. I don't know. Well, I'll decide that before the end of the video, but that's not a good start to this bag. Oh my god. Alright, so the next item that we have is Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. Alright, so I actually recently was thinking about how I was needing to get some more texture spray. I've gotten these before as samples. So basically what texture spray does is like when your hair just feels like it can't like figure itself out and it's like a little bit too wispy, or maybe you don't want to use like a dry shampoo because your hair is like clean but it needs like a little bit of something that's going to kind of just get in the roots and like fix it. Texture spray is awesome. I'm gonna smell it, see what it smells like. Okay. It's got a pretty basic scent. I like that. I like that it's not like overwhelming, because that's one of the things that gets on my nerves. When you get these like, you know, dry shampoos or like texture sprays and they make your hair just like too much. Like you put on your perfume and then you have your hair on and people just walk up past you and they're like, okay, that's where we're going today. That's where we're at. So I'm glad that it's not like that intensity. The next item that we have is Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in a clear gloss. Ooh, that's really cool. Okay, maybe they're getting me back in. I had seen this brand Grande and I was thinking to myself, you know, I'd love to try like that lip gloss, but I was like, I don't know if I want to try that. Oh, you know, maybe I have tried this before. Oh, you know what? I have tried this before now that I see it, but when I got this before, and I don't know where I got it from. Oh my gosh, I have something in my throat. the wand broke and I couldn't use it. So this actually does work really well. It's a hydrating lip plumper. I'm gonna keep that because I love, love, love lip plumpers so much. Next item that we have is Makeup Forever Artist Rouge C211. It looks like it is a lipstick. I'm not sure what color it is. Because it is in the box. I'm trying to get it out to see if this would be a really good one for our giveaway box. Oh geez, it's like completely sealed up. Okay, I'm gonna open this and we're just gonna look at it. I'm not gonna touch it or anything. That's the color. It's like a nice like nudie mauve tone. That's definitely gonna go into the giveaway box. I have a bunch of lipsticks that color and I love, love, love lipsticks that color, and I want somebody to get to try that, especially since fall is coming up. It is like the perfect thing to like use for fall. The next item that we have is Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really excited I got this. I've tried this mask before. This is a phenomenal, phenomenal face mask. I'm excited to try that. Obviously, Origins must be coming out with like a new product rollout or trying to get like their brand name noticed because I've seen them in a lot of boxes this month. So that's actually really awesome. And it looks like the last thing that we have is Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Oh my God, I need a brow gel too. Well, this box, I was talking trash and they totally like came out and like got me. Like almost like so many things that I needed. I needed this face mask. I needed this texturizing spray. I needed clear brow gel. I was actually just about to like give up and buy some. And I needed more lip plumper. They were like, girl, don't leave. We got you. Sephora's got your back. This is like really, wow. Jeez, I'm like, I can't. Y'all, they got me. They got me, and I feel bad because I seriously basically kept like everything in here. I'm gonna put in the shampoo, sample and conditioner and the Makeup Forever lipstick into the box. Oh geez, this was actually good though. I'm actually happy that I got so many things that I actually needed, because that's one of the things that's hard when I get so many subscription boxes. I get a lot of like repeat items and things that I'm like, okay, but I don't really need that. And I really needed like the Origins Retexturizing Original Skin Mask. I love it. I was like, oh my God, I want it. The texture spray, I needed that. The Grande Lip Plumper and the Clear Brow Gel, like awesome. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this box another month, unless next month they come out and they like, you know, get me because they're like, ah, we tricked you to stay. But I am actually like really impressed with it. So yeah. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew. Spell the same as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because you're literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just Like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow because we still have another box to open for day 9 of Box Week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. False lashes, painting my own nails, whatever, opening stuff. This is who we are. We're here now. Nothing we can do about it. All right, so let's get into Ipsy tonight. I think, I can't totally remember. I'm pretty sure I